say here, that's what I had to do for many years, put my fingers in my ears to block out all the noise I got from people trying to say, oh, you're not going to make your business a success, oh, it's not going to work. Now, that's the number one rule in business, is ignore what other people are telling you. Yeah, listen to it, but ignore most of the points. Believe in yourself, believe you can do it. Yes, things won't always be going really well, and the number one person I used to ignore mostly was my dad. He loves me to bits, I love him to bits, but boy can he be negative, and boy could it be a real drain on me. So whilst he loves me and he cares about me, I had to kind of block him out, because he wanted me to be safe, he wanted me to go back into the city to get a job, okay? But I didn't want to do that. I had to go out on my own and start my own business, and this is where I've got to. Done alright for myself, pretty happy, can't complain. But the number two rule is surround yourself by people who are going to encourage you, who are going to be positive, who are going to actually help you and advance your business. If you can do that, block out the naysayers and surround yourself with people who actually really want to encourage you and support you, you're flying. Keep going, you can do it. See you later.